Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Beads! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings with wire. They are super easy to make and looks very trendy and beautiful. Let your imagination run free and try this idea. I'm sure you'd love them. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more creative DIY jewelry. Don't miss anything and switch the notification bell. Don't go without telling me what you think about this idea in the comments down below. I hope to see you next Saturday, but until then remember, still beautiful, smile and be very happy. Bye bye!